Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert up arrow symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to insert the up arrow symbol. You can insert this symbol into cell, otherwise you can insert into text box. Now I am go to the insert menu. Now I am insert on text box, draw a text box. Then go back again, insert menu, select the symbol option. Now I am select the font Windings. Select the font dialog box and write the font Windings. Then press enter. Now we want to insert the up arrow. We can see here many arrow style. Now I am select this arrow and select the up arrow. Click insert. Then close the panel. Then select the arrow and go back the home menu. Increase the font size. Now we can see we insert up arrow symbol in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.